Welcome back to another video on this weird and wonderful AI art channel. In this video, I want to show you some motion LoRAs that I have discovered that can be utilized with AnimateDiff version 2 models. I've created a brief workflow to show you how that works, basically taking in the standard workflow and tweaking it to add AnimateDiff. And then on the AnimateDiff loader, I have the motion LoRA, which is the one that I'm going to showcase. These are by a person called Thomas. Thomas has released these 6 motion LoRAs which replicate the various different camera movements, the very basic ones: zooming in, zooming out, panning left, panning right, and then going up and down, which is called crane up, crane down. And these motion LoRAs can be downloaded through this directory here. I will include all these links and the basic workflow that I have created in Comfy UI to show you how this works. So here we have this particular zooming in workflow, and you can see the bottle is being zoomed into with the camera angle. So if we change that to another one, let's use zoom out, for example, and run this. Won't take too long because I'm using the LCM LoRA here and LCM sampling, so it should be nice and quick. There we go, you've got the bottle there and the camera is zooming out. So taking this workflow and essentially enhancing it to include all the different motion LoRAs, I have this Comfy UI motion LoRA which kind of shows you all the different results you can get with these 6 motion LoRAs. So you've got your zooming in, zooming out, panning right, panning left, and then moving up vertically, so crane up and crane down, so zooming and vertically moving down here in this particular one. The process is identical. Basically, I've got the AnimateDiff, my prompt here, and these are being fed through the K-sampler using the different motion LoRAs in each of those occurrences, and then I'm just showing the final result here. So have a look. I think these are better than what we have available to us in the past. And check out the author's page as well. There's a lot of good information about the particular models, how they're trained. These are compatible with AnimateDiff v2, and some details on the ratios, number of videos that were used, and the context window of those frames. The context window corresponds to this particular parameter. So by default this is 16. Most of these 16 will work just straight without any tweaking. All you have to do is download them and move them into your AnimateDiff motion LoRAs folder, which is what I have done here. And I just created a subfolder to group it by the creator's name so I know who created it and they are easy to find amongst the entire set of motion LoRAs that I have here. I will share this particular basic workflow in the blog post linked in the description. So check it out if you want to download that particular workflow and just get started with using AnimateDiff. You can. As you can see, these motion LoRAs produce some really cool, coherent and consistent results in terms of the movement that they introduce in the AnimateDiff animation. So have a look yourself and enjoy using them. Thanks again for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you've got any questions or issues, leave them down in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.